Hi everyone, it's Miss Lindman, and today we're going to talk about the 7 continents. We've looked at a globe, we've had fun tossing a globe around, and if you're at home and you want to see what a globe is, you're going to see that in my PowerPoint game that you'll be able to access on your computer if you're at home. And when you come back to class, I will absolutely make sure I let you get back to playing with the globe. We have a lot of fun with that. But the most important thing you need to know is that the globe has oceans and continents. That's a hard word to say. It starts with the letter C, continent. So we're learning that a continent is land, and that is where people live, on land. We don't live in the ocean. We live on land. So what I'd like to play for you today is a book about the 7 continents. I'd like you to listen to it. And it's just kind of fun. It's a great way to learn. We also have a song that you're going to see when you play a game that I've also connected. And it's just a lot of fun to learn and sing that song, but also hear this book. So let's listen.
The 7 continents. Do you know you live on a continent? Imagine you are on a spaceship. You are looking down at Earth. You would see land and water. The largest pieces of land are continents. Do you see land in this picture? There are 7 continents in the world. They are Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Europe, Antarctica, and Australia. Asia is the largest continent. There are many countries in Asia. China, Japan, Israel, India, and part of Russia are in Asia. More than 3 billion people live in Asia. Africa is the 2nd largest continent. Egypt, Ghana, South Africa, and many other countries are in Africa. The world's largest desert is in Africa. It is called the Sahara Desert. North America is the 3rd largest continent. Canada, the United States, Mexico, Bermuda, and Panama are all part of North America. You can see buildings like these in many North American cities. South America is the 4th largest continent. Brazil, Argentina, and Peru are countries you can visit in South America. There are many tropical rainforests in South America. Europe is a continent near Asia and Africa. Germany, Italy, England, Spain, part of Russia, and France are all in Europe. Europe has many landmarks. Antarctica surrounds the South Pole. It is the coldest continent. The temperatures there can be minus 20 degrees Fahrenheit, minus 29 degrees Celsius in the summer. Australia is the smallest continent. Some of the land there is flat and rocky. It is good for raising sheep and cattle. Some large islands look like continents, but they are not. Each one is part of the continent closest to it. Scientists think that long ago there was only one continent. This continent was very big. Then it broke into smaller pieces. The pieces moved apart. The continents are still moving today. They are moving too slow for us to feel or see. What continent are you on? Be still. Can you feel it moving? Which continent would you like to visit?
Okay, so we heard that today, and what it's referring to is when it said large, meaning big. So the largest in size means the biggest in size. I just wanted to make sure you understood that. And obviously you know the word small. That would be the smallest continent. So that's the smallest size of land was Australia. So there are big ones and small ones, and that's what they were talking about in the book. And also they talked about at one time, long, long ago, all of this land was connected and different things occurred in the earth and waters helped separate these continents. So what I want you to know today is that there are 7 continents and their names, and we will use all of these tools to remember and sing that song, and we will absolutely remember it. Hope you've enjoyed this, and we will talk to you soon.